Hi y'all, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's Melly, and so I have a makeup tutorial for you guys using all Avon products. So the first product, I thought I'd show y'all more close-up of the products that I'm going to be using. So the first one is this eyeshadow quad in the quad named Tranquility, and I'm going to use all of these really pretty blues. To give the eye look a little bit of more sparkle, I'm going to be using this liquid eyeshadow, and this one is called Ultramarine, which is a really pretty one with a lot of sparkles in it. And you really don't need like a white creamy eyeshadow base or something like that, because these are pretty pigmented actually. So I found that out when I was doing the tutorial, that you don't really need a concealer, but the concealer I did use was this one. It's the Avon Longwear concealer, and this one is in Mochi. I also used the Tone Up Primer in the green redness corrector one. This is in collaboration with the Face Shop. I used the Cashmere Complexion in I think it's Buttercream. Yeah, in the shade Buttercream. I used the mascara, the Super Extend. I really like this one, and this is in the shade Black. I also used a lipstick. This one is in Toasted Cashew, which is a pure, like this kind of color. It looks like a coral in the camera, but it's actually more of a nude kind of shade. Very light, peachy nude at the least. But I also used the lip liner, and this one is in Nude. And then I used a Glimmersticks eyeliner, and this one is in Twilight Sparkle. I love these Glimmersticks, they're pretty good. I was having a hard time with that one, to be honest, but maybe I need to get a new one. And one of my favorite brow products, this is the Avon True Color in Brunette. I didn't use any eyeshadow brushes from Avon, but the ones that I'm going to be showing that helped me with the look is a brush like this. That's kind of like a fluffy angled brush, so I could pack on the outer corner colors. This one happens to be from the Brown Crown brushes. Sorry about my ratchet nails, guys. As y'all know, there's no nail salons open, and even though I try to do some home little remedies, it's just, I don't know, I feel like it's cracking, I don't know. But anyway, I also used this kind of precise crease brush to really pack in the color, but I kind of took the eyeshadows for granted, I guess you can say, because I forgot how pigmented they are. Then I used this blending brush right here from e.l.f. You could use any brand you want. I'm just showing you all the ones that I used. And this is a really good one, a synthetic flat brush to pack in color or to put concealer on your lids. And this one's by Beauty Treats. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go, the video is going to be voiceover just because my neighbors wanted to start fixing their roofs all of a sudden. And if you see that I'm a little bit in a mad mood, I kind of was. So please forgive me if I don't seem, you know, that good. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the primer. So I already prepped and moisturized my skin with the AHA cream from the Avon line, which is one of my favorites. I believe I put a little bit too much of that primer, but as y'all can see, I had a lot of redness going on, and I thought that I could cover it up with that. But the foundation actually helped out a lot to put more moisturization to my face, as well as the damp beauty sponge here, and this one is from the Creme Shop, which I really like. So I'm just blending that away, putting more foundation obviously in my other parts of the face, and just blending away with that brush that I really like, trying to get some coverage but to also make sure that everything is nice and covered. So now I'm taking the concealer, which I really like that concealer. It's really hydrating and creamy, and what I like is that it comes out to be a regular finish. It's not exactly matte, it's not exactly dewy, it's just the perfect texture, I would say. So I'm just blending all of that under my eyes as well as my eyelid so I could prep for the eyeshadows. And putting a little bit more right there on the other side, of course. I really, really like that sponge. It's funny how I got that one at TJ Maxx. Oh, I miss that store so much, but hopefully everything goes back to normal soon, guys. So now I'm taking the translucent powder that I really, really love, and I'm taking it with a Sonia Kashuk brush, which is another one of my favorite brush brands, and I'm using this I guess push and roll technique. I believe I learned this from Wayne Goss, and it's really great to do it that way for anybody that has dry skin or acne prone skin such as myself, because it does not disturb, I guess you can say, the flakes that will come up from your skin. It's a really nice method. So so as y'all can see, I thought I was recording, and then I found out that I wasn't, so I had to literally take off my eyeshadow and start all over again, which is why you see that pigment. Like I said, that liquid eyeshadow is pretty pigmented, and eventually I had to put some concealer over it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now I'm taking number 3 from the eyeshadow quad, which is a really pretty, that's like a medium tone blue. And I am using windshield wiper motions to put that color on my crease. And I'm just taking a little bit of the baby blue shade, which is so nice. And I'm sorry if it looks a little bit charged. It's just that I kind of forgot that those eyeshadows are pretty pigmented, especially the matte formula from Avon. But I'm trying to blend that out with the cream white shade that's on the palette. So now I'm going to take that matte navy blue shade with the pencil, no, I'm sorry, not the pencil brush, just the regular angled brush. And I'm packing that in the outer corner of the eyelid. As y'all can see, I'm just pressing, pushing, and blending at the same time. This is a really nice brush, and I highly recommend it for anybody that has lids like me that they're a little bit droopy on the upper crease area. So now I'm going to take the star of the show, the liquid eyeshadow, and again this one is called Ultramarine, which is a really beautiful shimmery blue. I really like these a lot, and they're really easy to work with, easy to blend. So just packing a little bit more on there. And now I'm going to take the Glimmersticks. You gotta have a Glimmersticks in your collection. I really love those little eyeliners. But yeah, I'm putting some of that on the bottom of my lid. And then I'm taking the number 3 shade and going over it just to set the liner. And I'm going to take the mascara and just put on a little bit of coats. I'm still trying to learn how to do false eyelashes, but I'm kind of failing at the moment. So all I did was put some coats of mascara, but that's fine. Now I'm putting on some of the shimmery, I guess it's like an apricot colored blush on all of my cheeks. My 2 cheeks. I only have 2. And it's pretty shimmery as it is, so I didn't put a highlighter. And now I am putting the Nude lip liner just to set and make sure that my lipstick does not run all over the place, because it is a pretty moisturizing lipstick. I love Avon lipstick so much. And now, of course, I'm finishing up the look with the brow product in the shade Brunette, which is my favorite brow product from Avon. And guys, that is it. I hope that you guys like the look. Please let me know if there's any other ones you would like to see. I really had a very interesting time making this video. See ya.